loose land of a wing. If ever I spy coming low, whispering quiet, tell me what you think. Those storm winds just coincidence, that both our rising tides made sense. For I'd seen you turn from a young girl tense to a woman who can love, love and cries to me just like a dove all through the night. Whoa. Nature's lovely chosen one, did she send you, whispering quiet, telling you that I'm her son? Or was our meeting just one a chance? I came in from the rain and saw you dance. Third I've seen turn from a young girl's prance to a woman who can love and love and cries to me like a dove all through the night. Oh, conscience loud, I get too proud, please bring me to the side. I've heard my moon so we can set and spoon in sweet June Hollywood honeymoons in your soft moonlight. And I should know if it's just coincidence that both our rising tides made sense. For I'd seen you turn from a young girl tense to a woman who can love, love and cries to me like a dove all through the night.
You'll get hungry on the way. Wrap it in some spotty handkerchief hung on a stake. Take this lantern bright, for courage take my words. I go with you, but I'm into something else.
Besides, your eyes are better than these demos in my veins. And take this blanket, shelter you from winter's frozen grace. Sure it's yours, you brought it back from a holiday out in space. Cliffs hang over on the highway. Take something with you, you'll get hungry on the way. Wrap it in some spotted handkerchief hung on a string. Take this lantern bright, oh, for courage, take these words. I would go with you, but I'm into something else. Take something with you. You're bound to get hungry on your